Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Goldie. If you just see me for the first time, thank you so much for tuning on to this vlog. I'm very sure you would like it. So I'm pretty much starting my travel series. I'm traveling to Cancun, Mexico in 4 days, and this vlog is basically going to be like travel prep and all of that. But I just took my bath for the night. I want to brush my teeth and do my skincare routine and then go to bed. I go to bed pretty early. I sleep by like 7, 8. Yeah, I'm a homebody. I sleep very early. I wake up early. I do everything in my house. I don't even know what I'm saying, but you get the gist. Yeah. So usually every night I spray this. This is a dupe for Baccarat Rouge. Obviously the cheaper version. So just in case you're looking to smell like Baccarat Rouge, you need this. Focus. Yep. You need this. So obviously, but yeah, so let me just quickly talk about our trip. So like I said, we're going to Mexico. We're going to be staying there for 3 nights, and we're going to a resort. We're supposed to have this trip like a long time ago, but things happened and we couldn't go at the time. Guys, good morning. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday or Wednesday? Today is Tuesday. I have my hair appointment at 3 p.m. What else? I have my hair appointment at 3 p.m. and then I'm meeting up with someone I found on Facebook Market who is willing to purchase my old camera. So I'll be selling that today. I told her I wanted cash because I've gotten scammed on Facebook Market before and it wasn't cute. So so I told her I wanted cash. If you're not giving me cash, forget about it. So she's giving me cash. I think I'm meeting up today at 7 o'clock, and yeah. This looks like porridge. Let me show you guys. It smells good and looks even better. So I can't finish this whole thing at once. I'm just going to dish a portion. I can see a lot of dry fish inside. I don't like dry fish, so I'm going to skip that. I can see dry fish. I think I can see pomo. This food is packed. Love it. Then I think it's still a little bit much, but this is the portion I'm having. So hi guys, what's up? So I'm going to make my hair. I'm just trying to pack my bag. I'm carrying this Gucci tote bag. Obviously things that are in my bag are power bank. I've got tampons because I'm on my period. I've got my old camera. I finally found someone who was willing to buy, so I'm meeting up with the person to give it to the person and then collect the cash. I'm taking 2 protein smoothies and 1 bottle of water for hydration. So yeah. It's downstairs.
Alright.
Bye.
Okay, what's up? Sit, please.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it this one? It's time to start parking. Yeah. We're just going for 3 days, so a medium box will do. Right now, I am making moi moi. Or rather, I want to make moi moi. What I usually do with my moi moi preparation is like I make the mix in bulk. So when I'm doing that, I make it for like, how do I put it now? If we're going to eat it like 3 different days, and I make 4 servings. So so I already have the mix. What I'm just doing right now is I'm supposed to be looking here. I am just boiling egg because I like to put egg and corned beef inside of it. So while I'm waiting for my egg to get ready, I just thought to come and do some packing. The way you're standing like a policeman, asking me what did you order. You think it's for you? It's not for you. That's why you're standing here.
I can't even feel.
I can't say what.
I can't even feel anticipated.
No, you don't chop my money this month. It's not for you. Yeah, this is the brand. I really like the scents. See? And they gave me this for free. This one for free. It's a room spray. Let me try it. This smells good. It smells fresh, like flowers. I didn't order this, but I guess it's also a free gift. What is this? Is it a room spray? It's by me. Kind of like to hide our fragrance, our diffusers here, just behind the TV, close to the AC, so that it's blowing it out. Yeah. Yes. There's so many things different about both of us. Overwhelming. I have to look at that. This. Yeah. I really have to poop. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. It's the day of our trip. It's currently 4:34 a.m. and we are getting ready to head to the airport. Our flight is for 7 a.m. It's just a 4-hour flight. It's literally not a long flight. So we are heading to the airport very soon. Yeah, I'm excited.
Their job now. Yeah, this is every day doing it.
Lighting here is so great. I said lighting here is perfect.
Yes, I should have just wanted to come to Singapore.
And please form 2 lines as there is 2 agents boarding, so you can come over here. Thank you. And have your boarding pass and identification ready. Have everybody hold their own boarding pass and identification.
Learning that in order to be a vlogger, you have to be shameless. Are you sure they're not checking me? I can't ask her.
Why you want to use me for your agenda?
No, but people are going and we're just here. You get me?
You know, hearing that they call the certain people to come. They call some people's name to come. It's not your time.
Sorry.
Yeah, you can't wait to get into Cancun.
Sorry.
What number?
13 E and F. This is us.
Should I see you in the window?
Sit here in the window. Baby, help me with my bag first now. Sure. Suppose more of my prized possession is inside it. Are you excited?
Definitely.
13.